So I recently got this question and I was like, this is a good topic that I know a lot of y'all have questions about. So we're just going to do a whole video on it, okay? So let's just say hypothetically, you may be in this situation though, where you started your agency or you're trying to start your agency. You done did your branding, you're posting a few little things on Instagram, but it's crickets. Now, because of that, you may feel like maybe I should take on some free clients. Or you may have had somebody approach you and like,
hey, can we do a free trial?
And let's just stop right there because y'all, we have to understand there's a difference between being paid for your work, trial work, and then free work. And we're going to go over all of these. So let's jump right on into it, shall we? Now, before we start, I know how you girls like to tussle. So this is just my opinion on all these different things. But let's start off with paid work. Paid work is simple. You are getting paid for the services that you are doing every single month. And remember, we are not doing hourly rates because we're not about to sit here and try to calculate how much we did. We're not going to have clients micromanaging or, hey, could you submit your timesheet? No, we are doing retainer, which means we are doing the same amount of services every single month for the same amount. And you're getting paid on the same day every single month. And spoiler alert, there are hundreds and thousands of people who need a social media manager. So paid services, that's what we want, right? That's what we're going for. Now, y'all know that when I'm coaching my students, I don't let them do any packages for less than $800 a month. But I'm also realistic, and I know that when you hear that can be intimidating. Like, dang, I got to ask them for $800 a month. Like, I don't know if I can do that. So I get that. But one thing that may happen when you're starting out is you may get somebody come to you, or maybe you reached out to somebody, and then they're like, hey, I'm not sure yet. Can we do like a 1 week trial or a 1 month trial? No, it's a strong no. There ain't no way. But let me tell you why. The first thing is this. It's unfair for you because you're putting yourself in a position where you are trying so hard to get results after 1 week, after 1 month. Let me tell you something right now. If we're talking about organic growth, no ads, no gimmicks, none of that buying stuff, it's going to take you longer than a month to get real tangible results. In that first month, you're getting to learn the client's audience. You're learning what works, what doesn't work. It's just not realistic for you to get any type of results in 1 month, real results that's going to make the client want to stay with you or keep you on. Does it happen? Sure, it could happen. But again, it's not realistic and it's not fair because what am I doing? What's going to happen after this trial? What results are you actually looking for? So I know you're probably thinking, well, what if it's a paid trial? Whether it's paid or not, whether they're paying you for that month or not, y'all, it's about results. That is what helps clients stay with you. We can talk all day about getting clients, but we also have to talk about retaining those clients. And 1 month is not enough. You need at least 3 months to get some solid results. In 3 months, you can get results. In 1 week, what? Y'all almost cursed. I ain't doing a thing in 1 week. That's just not enough time because remember, we're also talking about creating content that aligns with goals and all of that. We're fancy over here, okay? So no, we're not doing any trials. Another thing is when you have somebody say they want to do a trial, to me personally, don't tussle with me, but with me, I just feel like when somebody wants to do that trial, there's a lack of trust in your abilities. When somebody is sure about you, they're not going to say like, well, can I work with you for 1 month and see if I like it? No, you want to work with people. You want to have clients who are sure about having a social media manager on their team. And not only that, but they're sure about wanting to work with you. So that brings us into free clients. And I already know what you think I'm going to say. You think that I'm going to say no to free clients. You don't need to do anything for free. And you're right. I am going to say that. But also what I want to say is, again, let's be realistic. If you feel like you have no traction and you really want to get some results in your portfolio and some case studies, you want to show some things on your Instagram, there's a way that we can do this. If you want to do some free work, okay, let's do it. But you are not going to do this with somebody random. My suggestion for doing this is doing it with somebody that you know. If you have a friend, a family member, a friend of a friend who has a business and they could use some help, then sure, go ahead and do that for like 3 months or something like that. And you may be now wondering like, well, what's the difference between a trial and doing the free work? The trial, I don't know, y'all. I just feel like you really testing me, okay? Like I feel some pressure. I feel like I'm being tested over here. So, I mean, if you want to do a trial, go for it. Again, my suggestion is not to, because I think you're kind of setting the precedence for clients sometimes. But again, with the free stuff, do not go and find somebody off of these streets and be like, hey, can I manage your Instagram for free? No, do it with somebody who knows somebody. There's some type of connection right there where, they're going to trust you and they'll give you the things that you want. Also make sure that this person it's like an industry that you're actually interested in, if you can, And of course, there's always exceptions to those rules, right? So yes, a trial client can become a great retainer client. A free client can become a retainer client. Those things could happen. But at the end of the day, we do want to work towards getting paid clients. And so if your journey is that you need to work with a free client to get there, then by all means do it. I don't want you sitting around doing absolutely nothing, but the call is on you. So let me know what you all think down below. Have you all ever had a free client? How did it go? Did you ever do a trial? How did it go? Let me know down below. And until next time, peace.